Hello everyone, welcome to Art Heroes, and today we will make a beautiful moon and star theme gift card and with secret messaging space inside. Let's start this. To make the card we will use off-white color paper. We will add the theme paper on top of it. Take a little big and little small piece to adjust the size. We will add the border lines with black paper. Now let's add the moon. We have cut the silver color paper to make the moon and the stars. We will use total 5 stars, 3 on the right and 2 on the left. And inside we will add color paper to make the messaging space. Adjust this with glue and let's see our finishing is done. Look how beautiful it looks, so magical. And inside we have added the messaging space. If you have trouble making it, you can purchase it from our Facebook or an Instagram page. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe. Follow us for another video. Thank you. See you in the next one.